ECS A890GXM-A2 motherboard is a high-end enthusiast offering for the AMD platform based on the AMD 890GX chipset that combines overclocking, core unlocking, crossfire graphics support, and USB 3.0 to provide nearly everything a consumer could want for their next system build. The A890GXM-A2 is in a larger than standard box that provides a window to the features within. The first thing we find inside is the motherboard, but underneath is the box of included accessories. Inside we find 4 SATA cables with locking mechanisms, as well as a back panel eSATA cable and electronically shielded chassis backplate. The full user's guide and quick hardware installation guides are included as well. The A890GXM-A2 motherboard offers a full allotment of features, starting with support for the entire range of AMD AM3 processors, including even the 140-watt 6-core options. Memory support goes as high as 1800 MHz on the DDR3 dual-channel configuration with a maximum capacity of 32 GB. The 890GX North Bridge is cooled by the same QoolTech III heat pipe configuration as the CPU power management, while the SB850 South Bridge is passively cooled here at the bottom of the board. The 890GX chipset supplies enough PCI Express bandwidth that the motherboard can support 3 x16 PCI Express slots for both 2-way and 3-way crossfire multi-GPU solutions. Also included are a x1 PCI Express slot and a legacy PCI slot for further expansion. Thanks to the SB850 South Bridge, the storage support on the A890GXM-A2 includes 5 internal SATA 6.0 gigabit per second ports for faster hard drives and SSDs with support for multiple versions of RAID array. There are 4 additional USB 2.0 headers on the bottom of the motherboard that bring the total USB port count up to 12. Integrated power and reset buttons on the PCB allow for out-of-case setup and testing. The CPU socket, DIMM sockets, and PCI Express x16 slots use the new ECS 15 micron gold contacts for extended reliability and wear resistance. The back panel connections include a lot of great features, including 4 USB 2.0 ports, in addition to 2 blue-colored USB 3.0 ports, offering as much as 10x better performance. The pair of network connections are both capable of gigabit speeds and support teaming functionality as well. There is a combination USB eSATA port that also supports SATA 6.0 gigabit per second speeds, and next to it is a clear CMOS button for BIOS recovery. The 8-channel audio supports both analog and optical digital outputs. The A890GXM-A2 does have integrated graphics and in fact has 4 different outputs on board. There's a VGA connection for analog displays, and also a DVI, HDMI, and even DisplayPort connection for digital output. Another great feature is the 128 megs of DDR3 side port memory that ECS has included for the integrated graphics, so that users aren't required to use portions of their main system memory for the onboard graphics. The A890GXM-A2 motherboard supports the ECS special ACC feature that allows for core unlocking on specific AMD processors, allowing many users to take dual-core Phenom CPUs and run them as quad-core parts, and also to take a Phenom II X4 quad-core CPU and turn it into a 6-core CPU with a simple switch. You should find specific listings of which processors support this feature. This ECS motherboard not only offers great hardware features, but also adds some outstanding software as well. The EOC software in both the BIOS and in Windows gives users an easy way to maximize system performance. eBLU allows the user to perform a BIOS live update without even having to know what motherboard they have. eJIFFY offers a nearly instant boot operating system with a web browser, photo viewer, and chat program. If you are looking for an enthusiast-level motherboard for your next AMD platform build, the ECS A890GXM-A2 offers a terrific combination of features, overclocking support, and more.